So, while mortgage interest rates have actually gone down a little bit from last week, the general trend is that it's on the rise and it will continue to do so for the rest of the year. According to Freddie Mac, Senior Economist, he says similarly, and I quote, "As the economy progresses and inflation remains elevated, we expect that rates will continue to gradually rise in the second half of the year." So, what are these latest rates right now as of today, and how can you take advantage of it right now? So let me tell you. First off, here are the rates as of today. You'll see here for a 30-year fixed conventional loan, you're looking at, the figure now is 3.15, last week it was 3.2. For the 15-year fixed, 2.45 versus last week 2.5. For the 30-year jumbo loan, 3.33 versus 3.2 of last week. And for the 30-year refinancing, 3.21 versus 3.23. So even though these rates are lower than last week, the general trend is still for them to go upward. In April, for example, all those figures were under 3%. And as you'll see, most of them there, except for just two, they're all above 3%. So you're just going to see an upward trend from here on out. So what does this mean for you, and how can you take advantage of it while it's still around? Well, it depends what you're interested in. For buyers, it means there's still time. There's still time to find a home and lock in a really good interest rate, get a really low mortgage payment, and whether it be 15-year or a 30-year fixed, it all depends. So this is still a good time. You're still going to have to be prepared because you will have competitors. But if there's time, if you're still interested, now is good. So now, if you're a homeowner and you're on the fence as to whether you want to sell or not, consider that this market may not be around for much longer. Agents are already reporting seeing less buyer showings, and there are less offers going in on the listings. So that's something to think about as well. I have another video that follows this one that actually questions whether the real estate market is cooling, and I'm talking a little bit about what the agents are seeing on the ground. So you may want to stay tuned and check that one out as well. Now, if you're a homeowner and you have no interest in selling and you want to stay where you are, then the way you can take advantage of the low interest rate is to consider refinancing. And again, if you have about 20% equity into your home and good credit, then this might be a good option for you. Lock in a lower rate than you had when you started and actually pay lower monthly payments, which is going to go very far. So that's it for now. Stay tuned for the next video. And please, if you're interested in this type of content, I try to bring out the latest of what's going on. Please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. So until next time.